With the motor installed, tested, next step will be to figure out this controls part of it. So all the stuff are here required for the control. Main controller, contactor, there's the slow acting fuse, shunt, the I just took a phase breaker, a relay, and the port box plus a terminal. So I am just planning it out, because what I can see from here, this is just my initial planning to have the board on top, directly on top of the motor, plus because the natural flow is, this is the fan, so the fan will blow air towards this plate, and cold air will constantly circulate above here. So if I could mount the controller just above, just in say this area here, I don't need any cooling, any fan, because naturally the motor fan does make the air circulate, so it's no problem. So the alignment would be, if you can see, that's what I would like to have. Means the this whole section sits just above the the motor. So and the natural flow of air will happen, so don't have to worry about the heating and everything. So this section of the plate will be cut out, and the whole thing will be mounted on the plate itself. Then since I've got this off the shelf at a junk electronic shop, I don't have a fuse holder that comes with it, so I'll somehow make a fuse holder of sort for this one, plus the shunt. The shunt doesn't come with any form of holders, so I too have to make insulation for that also, and the mounting plate. So this is how things are progressing so far, after maybe about 6 maybe 8 hours of shaping, grinding, I don't know. Finally I got the right profile for the heat sink, and I went out to buy assortments of stainless steel nut bolts, sorry. Then to get a few holes down here, thread it, and fix it on. So to test fit the heat sink, there is the this is the heat sink, the wider side, and then there's the shorter side, and the support rail in the middle. So that's my idea. So the whole thing will just drop in perfectly. So, and plus the extra height, I would add 2 layers of rubber, and bolt the whole thing tight, so that would be vibration free. That should work perfect, and the whole controller will sit on top of it. Next would be on the subject of the mounting a port box. So with the cut off section of the aluminium, I've measured it up. It should fit onto the port box. So the whole idea is to there is these 3 holes here, that is original on the car. Two of it is for the hinge for the bonnet stopper. So let's get the camera right. Okay, so once the hinge is up, put on the sort of adapter plate. I'm trying to fix an adapter plate and get the pot box fixed up. After the test fit, the plate is mounted onto that's how the fixture would look like, and the pot box would be mounted like this. Cable, one of these, I forgot which one, so would go around here, come up here, and pull it around here. So now to get the fixtures of the threads, make the thread, fix it up, test it up. Okay man, rock solid. So it is fixed, and I've already tapped the M4 screws there. So I'm gonna put up the pot box. For the pot box, I've added the rubber, sort of a rubber washer to keep all these the spring and the washer in, so I don't have to run around hunting for the washer and spring in the future. Plus it's going to be sort of dampening. So there you go guys, the pot box is in, rock solid. So I can fix the cable on, it should work fine. It's been raining the whole morning, very heavy, so that is why I always cover up the whole car in canvas, because it's exposed, and the motor compartment especially. So for now it's back to the control board. So far that's how the more or less the layout of the control board would be. The motor circuit breaker, that's the plus, sorry, that's the negative side of the circuit, the plus circuit. So power will come in, the fuse would be around here. I've set it out to machine a fuse holder, and from there the fuse goes in right into the contactor jumps into the controller, and goes underneath here and to the motor. So the negative side would be that's the negative contactor. The shunt would be around here. I've already marked a spot for the shunt, and shunt goes in here, that goes in there, and that portion will drop down, the continuous will drop down to the motor. So I would tap out all the holes, see how it goes. So the tapping process is almost done. Test fit, see how it comes. Just a test fit, so to make sure everything sits in place, and later on it would be some thin rubber sheets as seal, and then spring washer plus washer will be added on. So I've sort of more or less tighten it up just to test the how's the work. So just a test out. So it's good enough. Everything is rock solid. Well, the rain keep on coming, mate. Non-stop. Not too heavy, but can't really get any much work done. So I'll see you guys next week. Okay, take care.